Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make Taco Bell's hot sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back. Thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor. Go down to the corner there, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, like I said, we're going to be making Taco Bell's hot sauce. I have made the mild sauce, the fire sauce, the Diablo sauce, and I think the medium sauce. They've got one or not, but this is going to be the hot sauce. Now, I'll leave a card right there for the playlist that I've got of all the Taco Bell sauces that I've done. But let's look at our ingredients here before we start. We are going to be using a 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 3 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of minced dried onion, and 2 tablespoons of canned jalapeno peppers. What we're going to do is we're going to put it into this pot, mix it up, get it hot, let it thicken, and then we're going to show you what it looks like. Let's head over to our stove and get going. Alright, I've got the 3 cups of water into our pan. Now I'm going to add our tomato paste. And then just mix it up. Alright, now that this is kind of smooth and it's starting to get a little heat to it, I'm going to go ahead and add the cayenne, the chili powder, our salt, our cornstarch, the vinegar, dehydrated onion. I'm going to go ahead and add our jalapeno slices. Best thing to do on these is to buy them in a jar. That way you can reseal the jar and throw it in your fridge and use them again. If you buy those small cans, you're only going to need about 1/3 of those. And then what are you going to do? Unless you've got Tupperware that's small enough to put the rest of that little can in, I would just suggest getting the jalapeno peppers in a bottle, and then you can just store them in your fridge. I'm going to let this go, let it get hot. When it starts boiling, I'm going to turn it down, let that cornstarch do its work, and then we will show you the next process. Alright, so it came to a rolling boil. Now I turned it down. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off. And now we're going to move over to get it and strain it. So I'm just going to very carefully pour this in to our sieve. You want to drain out all that aggregate of the jalapenos and the dehydrated onion. Make sure you get a bowl that's big enough so when you do drain it, it doesn't overflow. And you got a little bit of room in there. There's your aggregate right there. The jalapeno peppers and the onions, maybe a little clump or 2 of that cornstarch in there. Just gonna throw that over there. Let's head back over to our table and we'll have a little discussion about the sauce. All right, here we go. There is the Taco Bell hot sauce. This is what we strained. Now remember to cool this down to 41 degrees before you bottle it up and seal it and put it in your refrigerator. To do that, to make it quicker, pour this into smaller containers and then just let them cool. But be sure that you're cooling this down properly before you bottle it and put it in your refrigerator. This is the Taco Bell hot sauce. I have made the other ones as well. I talked about the playlist earlier on. Check that out. I will be promoting that as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. And then make sure you share this video with everybody you know. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. See you next time. Bye-bye.